This is how to grow your hair to achieve a coily hair, being it straight hair, being it any type of hair, being it braid hair, being it original hair, being it synthetic. This method is for you. And on this video, I'm using synthetic hair. You know, synthetic hair is the hardest hair to roll, especially when it's being tangled. As you can see, I've been combing this hair for ages, so you need to distangle the everything and before you can roll the hair to make the hair to look more well organized and well rolled. After detangle the whole thing, it takes a lot of time. The owner said this hair haven't been revamped for past 5 years. I don't know why people can just carry the hair without revamping it, without stretching it, without changing anything on the hair, and the person will just want you to do the magic. Anyway, this is our work. If you want any revamping, just give me a DM or you can comment and I will help you on your hair. So let's begin. All you need to do is comb the hair very well. After combing the hair, the next step is you to use water to make sure the water steam the whole thing, and you can start by rolling. Start from the bottom and start rolling the hair small, bit by bit. Make sure you follow the step as I am holding the rollers and you tighten the whole thing. This is all you need to do. And after that, you bring another edge and roll it like that. Pour a water. Make sure the water steam the whole hair, the one that you have brought out to roll. Make sure there is water there. The whole path, the water is streaming it well, so that after the hair dries, it can be easy to roll very well, and the hair can be able to roll. You know, this is a synthetic hair, so if you don't pour the water well or steam the hair well, the roller will not be stand. And I will show you step by step on how you can do this whole thing. All you need to do is just follow the step, and it is safe. If this is your first time of stopping by, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment what you think on this video. Keep on watching, keep on learning on how to detangle your hair, and you will achieve amazing hair. I do makeup, hair revamping, and also hairstyling on this channel. Sometimes makeup hacks, everything about beauty on this channel. Just don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friend. And you can also save this video if you still want to rewatch it. Just keep on watching. I don't want to miss you on my next video.